Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay. We're setting the trend.
I'm gonna tell you the truth. I learned everything today. I didn't realize how all of the products kind of interlocked with each other. So if you use the Argan Deluxe, you can use the Arganmidas, but you can also go in with the Whisper Wit of co-wash, but you can also use the shampoo and how our oils work, and especially the new Freecia Mask. I just know I'm gonna be selling a lot of product.
I learned today that we have lots of products that specialize in all different types of hair and as far as the overall outcome of your hair. Anything from moisture enriched on up to like luxury. This can be considered the luxury line because it deals with all different type of people with all different types of hair.
I found two favorite products now that I know I'm gonna start using. This is good for molding quick weaves. It's water-based versus alcohol-based, so I can stop using something else that's alcohol-based. So this is better for molding the hair and protecting the hair. And then I found out we got a mask. It works so good with silk press. Well, really all hair products, all hair types, but yeah, my two new favorite products right now.
We're setting the trend.